Hello, I'm going to talk to you about the features and benefits in the KPPR Events app. In general, the KPPR Events app will automatically show advertisers events, follow events that are interesting, explore and find event locations, check the number of followers by advertiser and by venues, has a PayPal checkout, purchase tickets, print receipts, is user-friendly, and all you have to do is register for free events that are local or global. You get tickets that you want right in your email. Features and benefits. All events. Now this feature will show you all the events that are locally or globally near you. It also searches events that you can see and purchase tickets from. With this feature, you automatically and conveniently see local or global events you want to experience. Now, followed events. This feature allows you to follow events that are interesting, and you can follow the event advertiser until you might want to attend their events. Now, this allows you to target exactly what you're looking to attend and enjoy this with family and friends. Explore. Now, in Explore, this feature will help find the locations of the events and help find the quickest routes to the event locations. This feature can help save time once you've decided to go to the event that you're looking for through the KPPR Events app. People and places. This feature finds a number of people following the advertiser venues. Okay. You can also find the number of people following the advertiser. You can experience the local or global hotspots through yourself or with family and friends. My tickets. Now, this feature helps you purchase tickets to events and conveniently receive the tickets in your email. You can experience the events knowing that you have immediate access to your tickets for any event you want to experience. Rewards. This feature helps you save money. When you purchase 5 tickets, you receive a 5% discount from the events you attend. When you purchase 10 tickets, you receive 10% discounts from the events you attend. This allows you to save money with family, friends, when you're using the KPPR Events app. Terms and services. Now this feature will have a set of guidelines to follow when you're using the KPPR Events app. These conditions are to be understood and followed to maintain your accounts on the KPPR Events apps. With these feature, everyone understands what to expect when purchasing tickets and selling tickets on the KPPR Events app. And settings. This feature is straightforward as well as logout. Thank you.